You've definitely seen these, the Tomcat Ultrasonic Rodent Repeller. Should you use them? Well, beware. We'll jump in and we'll tell you why. So let's talk about this Tomcat Ultrasonic Rodent Repeller. What it claims is that when you plug the device in, it creates ultrasonic waves that repel rats and mice because they don't like the noise. So all you need to do is find a plug outlet that's roughly 1 meter off the ground, plug it in, and it keeps rodents away. Very easy to use, safe, but let's jump into why we don't think it works really well. So let's just go over quick how this actually works. You get your repeller in the box, open it up. You can see it's very straightforward. It's got 2 little prongs in the back, speaker in the front, and then a light to tell you if it's powered on. You simply plug it in, and then the ultrasonic sounds start to variable different decibels and repel mice and rats away. Super simple, super safe, no actual chemical product, scent, or anything to repel, just those ultrasonic waves. Although these seem like the miracle thing to use, no poison, no dealing with dead mice, no setting traps, just plug them in and everything's gone. It does sound great. Unfortunately, through a lot of testing that we've done in the scientific research, it does not really work that well to get rid of an infestation. What tends to happen is that when these get plugged in, the ultrasonic noises may irritate the mice and rats for a little bit, but like all pests, they're extremely adaptable. Once they realize that the noise is there and they're safe, they adapt and they get used to it. The settings that we've done them in, we've seen a couple results for a couple of days and then reports of mice and rats just running right by it and getting used to it very quick. The science that's out there also shows a lot of results that they'll just adapt to it and get used to it, so it is not an effective long-term solution and it will not get rid of an infestation. We have a deep dive in another video if you want to check that out. So now that we've talked about the lack of efficacy with these ultrasonic rodent repellent plugs, what do? First thing always when you're dealing with a rodent infestation is locate the entry point, seal it off, remove any food sources that are attracting them in, remove any nesting material and warmth that are attracting them in, and then eliminate them. For elimination, the best things to use are either tamper-proof bait stations with bait that will eliminate them, or good old-fashioned mechanical traps. With any good elimination program for rodents, you want to put lots out, set them, monitor them, and make sure that there is no long-lasting infestation. Thanks for watching the video. Again, we have another great video that goes over the ultrasonic devices that you may want to check out. If you have any questions, drop them into the comments.